All right, guys, we are going to fill in this multiplication table. We're going to start just right at the top here, and I'm going to fill in all of these answers. Once we get the products for these equations, we are going to start to see a pattern. I want you to look specifically at the ones place, then look at the tens place and see what's happening there. I will highlight, after I fill out this whole table, some of the patterns that are there available for you to see, which can help us in memorizing our 9's multiplication facts and in answering an equation that has a 9 factor. Okay, so let's just start. Anything times 0 we know is 0. So 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 1, anything times 1 is that number, and that's 9. 9 times 2, if you know your doubles addition, you know that 9 plus 9 equals 18, so 9 times 2 is also 18. All right, 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, if you're starting to notice right here, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and then you come over here to the tens place and it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, you're starting to see the pattern that is going to show up in our 9's. See if it continues. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 9 times 10 is 90. Now, before we go on to 9 times 11 and 9 times 12, I want to highlight something for you. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab this so that I can just have you notice right here, just looking here at our 9 equations with factors of 9, looking at our products of those, just from 9 times 1 all the way down to 9 times 10. If you look here in your ones place, it goes down from 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And if you look over here in the tens place, and obviously when there's nothing in the tens place, this is 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So it starts to show a pattern there for you so that you can just kind of put that in your mind, file that in your mind in a way that gives you a different strategy to answer these problems. So if all else failed and you couldn't remember how to do an array, if you couldn't remember how to skip count, you could write down 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, and remember that the ones place goes down while the tens place goes up, and you could potentially answer all the 9's problems that you have. So let's put down here as well 99. 9 times 11 is 99. And then 9 times 12 is also 108. So again, we have different ways of getting to our answers, but this is just one way that may work for you. It may not. Either way, it's going to sharpen that skill of multiplying with factors of 9.